Should I try to do my first ever backflip?
Yeah, come on. There's not a chance you're doing this. I'm just... What's up, you guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today is an exciting day. We're taking you through our empty house, an empty house tour. So excited for you guys to see the new house. But first, I just got to a photo shoot, and I am at the poppy fields in Lake Elsinore, California. It's funny because this is actually where we shot our very first vlog ever. We went on a little road trip with Leif's brother and his wife, and that was our first vlog we ever filmed. So I'm feeling nostalgic. I'm back here with my fun photographer friend Danny, and we're gonna take some photos. I have a campaign that I'm shooting, and then we're also just gonna have fun because this place is amazing. So I'm really excited to take you guys along with my day. Okay, how amazing is this? P.S. Hi, Danny. Look at these beautiful flowers. Also, I can't believe I've never introduced you guys to Danny because she's my favorite human. So I'm actually sweating. I thought I was gonna be cold. I have been freezing at every shoot we've done for the past month because California has been so cold, but the weather today is beautiful. I'm actually kind of sweating right now. And these flower fields are so pretty. They're blooming so early because of all the rain, because it's been raining for like a month straight. So, paid off. All right, I'm back home and we're getting ready to go to the new house right now. The shoot went awesome. The light was actually so much harsher and it was so much more sunny than I thought it was gonna be, but the photos are gonna be amazing. So here's what our house currently looks like. We have the kitchen stuff all packed up right here. More stuff packed. Lady. And then more stuff right here getting packed up. Oh, there's nothing in that box. We're just packing up all of our crap. Guess where we are, guys, and guess what we got? The keys! Woo! We're in our new house, so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. But first, I want to say that we are having the whole house painted white. It is currently painted gray, and there's a few bedrooms that are like tannish. So it's gonna delay our move-in date a little bit. We were hoping to get it painted sooner, but there were a bunch of different little issues, and so we just now found the person that's gonna paint it, and they are unable to come for a few days. So it's gonna set us back a little bit, but it'll be worth it. I really just like my house to be painted white inside just because it's so like bright and clean when it is. So I think it's gonna look even more amazing when it's white. Right now, like I said, it's kind of gray. You walk in and this is the little living room. It has the cutest fireplace ever and these amazing windows. I am so excited about these windows. All the windows in the house are so good. Here is the window from a different angle. It is seriously my dream. So then we have the dining area. I'm looking at cute pendant lights right now, and I'm really excited to put a new one in there. But these windows are so cute. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this has like gas logs in it, so we can have little fires. And then you come over here, and this is the kitchen area. It's super bright and open and pretty. And again, I feel like once it's painted white, it's all just gonna come together so well. This is the double ovens. Got a nice little fridge. And then you come around the corner and we have the washer and dryer and some big cabinets, and definitely gonna put like 2 cute baskets up there. And then we come this way, and you guys, this is the longest hall ever. So there's this hall, which is to like the master bedroom and stuff. And then it extends over here. It goes the entire length of the whole house. We're gonna go to the left first. So we go to the left. This is our master closet on this wall, which is kind of random that it's not in the actual room, but that's okay. And then this is our master bathroom, which I seriously feel like is a hotel bathroom or like a resort. Look at how deep this is. I don't even know if you can tell. This tub is like, Leif, get in it so they can see.
Yeah, how are you supposed to get up? You have to do that jump.
Sit down.
Shoot. I shouldn't have gotten in here with my shoes.
It's so deep. Like my whole body, I'm gonna drown if I get in it.
Wow.
It's gonna be so awesome. Living his best life. And then this is a steam shower, which is really nifty. So it like completely closes up and gets super steamy in there. This little window, and here are the, what are these called? Here's the vanity. Here are the sinks. Here I am. I seriously think that this bathroom, doesn't it remind you of a hotel?
Yeah.
I feel like we're gonna feel like we're at a spa all the time. Okay, and then we continue down the hallway. This part is my favorite because it's all windows on the side. It's so bright. I'll take you into the master bedroom first. The master is huge, you guys, like way bigger than our old master bedroom, sorry.
Here's some scale for you.
It's seriously so big. It's the entire back wing of the house, and it looks out to the cutest orange tree, I guess. Just one tree. But this is our little backyard. I'll take you guys out there in a second. Lady is gonna love it. So again, we're gonna get different lighting fixtures. I've been looking at some cute ones online. And I love the old doors. This is an older home, but it's renovated. Here is our little back patio area. They're gonna wash it off and they're still like kind of painting. Oh yeah, I don't think we can go out actually. But they're still touching up paint, but it's so cute. It has little lights out here, and we're gonna put like chairs, and this is just a little patio off the master, which I think is so fun. Back through the light and bright hallway, and then we come into, this is gonna be our office. So it's spacious room. We haven't decided exactly how we're gonna set this room up, but I think we are either gonna have the desk across here. We have like a really long desk. You guys have probably seen it in past vlogs. Or we'll do this whole wall. So we'll see. I'm out of here. And to our left is the guest bathroom. I think that this is so fun and has so much character. It's this light blue tile, and every single part of it is tiled, even in the bathtub. And I just think this is so fun. Like, it's not something I would pick out myself, but I just think it's a cool vibe. Look at this. Okay, and then around the corner right here is gonna be our guest room. So this is the smallest room out of the house, but it's just so cute. It has lots of light from these windows.
This is where you'll stay, guys. Be our guest.
Okay, we're going out to the backyard. This is from right off of the laundry room. So here we go. We have all these steps.
This is the best part.
This is the best part, you guys. It came with a doggy door for Lady. Honestly, we're not even sure if she's gonna be able to open that because it's a lot bigger than hers at home. But here is our backyard. We have this little courtyard area. I'm thinking about doing like a little table and chairs right here. Like a little bistro set. And then here's our garage. Got a grill right here, and this is the master bedroom back here. So this was that hallway I took you guys through. These, we're gonna get different pots and they'll be up there with plants in them. And I love all the greenery and the vines on the house. So keep walking through here. And this is our backyard. Oh, nice. A Buddha included. So this is our backyard. Seriously, Lady is gonna freak out and be so excited to just have free reign out here. We don't really have a backyard. We have just like a tiny patio at our current apartment. And then I love this little back area with the lights. I wanna do like a cute little setup right here. Here's the view from the backyard.
Hey everyone, should I pick this one? No? How about this one? Yes.
Are you Dora the Explorer?
I actually think the other one was better.
If you guys didn't know this about Leif, when he gets concentrated, he looks super mad. It's not good, I can tell.
Bitter.
Not sweet yet.
Yeah, the tops of them are still green, you know?
Yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. Ending the vlog eating our own oranges in our own backyard. I am seriously so excited about this. This is seriously like our dream Californian little home, and I feel like that's actually much more our vibe than our last place, even though our last home was so nice and like modern and new. But this feels a lot more homey to me, and it's kind of like what I envisioned, you know, that I wanted when we moved to California initially. but we obviously had to work our way up to this a little bit. I'm seriously so excited to decorate this space and like put cute furniture out here and have little get-togethers and like make fresh orange juice in the mornings. And
I'm so happy we just got the keys today. I could do a backflip
do it.
in this open yard. Should I try to do my first ever backflip?
Yeah, come on. I've never even seen you do like a cartwheel, Leif. Okay, that was pretty good.
Oh,
Are you serious, Leif? This is not a good idea. You're gonna break your neck.
I'm doing this because I'm excited.
Honey, you cannot be serious right now.
I've never done a backflip.
Okay, stop. My hand is shaking. I'm so nervous. There's not a chance you're doing this. Leif, why would you even say you wanted to? Excuse me, don't.
Oh, I can't do it.
Leif, why did you say you would? You don't even do that.
I thought I was a new man. New place, new city. Oh, you talked me out of it.
No, I didn't.
The whole time. Play back.
There's not a chance you're doing this. Why would you even say you wanted to? You cannot be serious right now. Okay, stop.
I'm strong. We've been working out. Look at these legs.
Ew, that was the worst angle of them.
Look how high I can jump.
Excuse me.
I can do a backflip. Come on.
Maybe that could be like something to work towards in one of our vlogs, okay?
Okay. I'll do it for you guys in another vlog. Subscribe.
Subscribe if you want
If
to see
this
Leif
video
do a-
gets 10,000 likes, I'll do a backflip.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We love you, and we will see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.